Alright guys, we're back again. Gonna test out our DF02 with our URGENEX 5200 MAW 70C LiPo with our XTeam 5400 RPM or KV 3650, and Lauren's gonna be driving. I'll be out filming. We put our TT02B tires on there. Here you go, man. I think the last thing I drove with that, so it should be set up. So give her a squeeze. So we had a bunch of rain. What's going on? Alright, I'm like, wait a minute, this is not WLs, it should not be cocked. Got new shocks. Seems to float pretty good. Jumps pretty good too. Oop. Takes a tumble. So yeah, this is the DF02, which was predecessor to the DF03. Personally, it's a lot like a TTO. What happened there? Oh. Well.
It's delayed. That's so weird. I held my finger down, let go, and then it just like.
What? How's it do it now? So, anyways, DF02. We're trying to get it track ready. Battery might be dead. It keeps turning it off. Well, I guess that's all we get for today. And she's a beeping. I didn't recharge this, and this was out in the rain, so.
It's the gas.
Here, let me see it. Hope it's just a dead battery. I got an 80 amp ESC we could try out. So that'll be next one. So we'll get that in the TT02 or DT02 on the bench. It's so weird. I hope it's just a dead battery. I'll see you when I see you guys. Oh. Here, hit it. Yeah.